Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to mute specific people on Snapchat. So first of all, launch Snapchat application on your mobile device. Then from here just go to the chat section at the bottom left. From here tap on the Bitmoji of the person you wish to mute. Once you come to their profile, tap on the three dots option at the top right corner. From here, tap on the option of Chat and Notification Settings. From here, go to Notification Settings at the bottom. Now from here, turn on the toggle for mute chats first. You can choose any of these options. Similarly, turn on the toggle for mute calls as well. Now I'm going to tap on until I unmute them, and then that's how you can mute some specific people on your Snapchat account. And this is it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.